We'll guide you through how to update DaVinci Resolve to ensure you have the latest features and improvements. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and go to the top left corner where you see the DaVinci Resolve menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Check for Updates. The software will then connect to the internet to see if there are any available updates for you. If an update is found, a window will pop up with details about the new version. You should read through the release notes to see what's new or changed. Once you've reviewed the information, you can click on the download button to begin the update process. The software will automatically start downloading the update files. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few minutes, so be patient. After the download completes, you'll get a prompt to install the update. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Typically, this involves agreeing to the terms and conditions and choosing the installation location. Once the installation is finished, you might need to restart DaVinci Resolve for the updates to take effect. It's a good idea to back up your projects before starting any update, just to be safe. Keeping your software up to date is crucial for optimal performance and accessing new features. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.